Pau, 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 chicharon, bukarilyo, palit na mo, go the evening, City of Talisay, Barangay Balakaw. This is Gian. Good evening.
Daghang salamat from the city.
It's getting hotter. The beat is louder. I know you want it.
It's all about how you finish. Maayong gabi ka natong tanan. My name is Yana Florisan. 17 years of stunner. All the way from Bulacau, Laguna. Kung di mo pakpak, basurog ilang balay. Kung di mo syagit, mamatay la mama. Ana akong mama, gwapa daw ko gamay. Ana akong papa, sexy daw ko gamay. Pakpak sad mo gamay. Di ba naamoy mga gamay?
Thank you so much, candidate number 2, Miss Yana Flow as well. Montenegro.
It's getting hotter. The beat is louder.
Dressed to impress, ready to conquer. My name is Alessia Ariella de la Victoria, that leaves as saying, if life gives you a lemon, make a lemonade. This is your lovely candidate number 3. Thank you and good evening.
Daghang Alessia. On this side, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Kay Lofranker.
Dancing in your eyes. You're just gonna let it go tonight. I just wanna be, hold you close to me. Dancing in your eyes. I want your
Shut up. Gikan sa maayong pamatasan, gipang-atay mong tanan. Mubatbat sa pinulungang Ingles, apan ipamulong ko lamang nga mamaayo ako. Maayong gabi, or should I say, good evening friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kay Willis Lafranco, 17, all the way from the home of the human even saying, kung lumubog ang araw, ibig sabihin, gabi na. Pero kapag lumubog ang ngipin ni candidate number 6, bayot, suyo pa! And I thank you.
Daghang salamat, candidate number 4.